These are Quinn's first hiccups. Hi, lady. And some mucus in their nose. Okay. Wave bye.